హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ టు స్పెషల్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ. నా వెనక చూస్తే ఆల్రెడీ మీకు అర్థమైపోయి ఉంటుంది ఎవరితో మాట్లాడుతున్నామో ఈరోజు మనం. సో ట్రిపుల్ ఆర్ మూవీ అందరం చూసే ఉంటాము. ట్రిపుల్ ఆర్ మూవీలో జూనియర్ ఎన్టీఆర్ రామ్ చరణ్ ఎంత ఫేమస్ అలాగే మళ్ళీ కూడా అంత ఫేమస్ అయింది. సో మళ్ళీ క్యారెక్టర్ చేసిన ట్వింకిల్ శర్మతో ఈరోజు మనం స్పెషల్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేయబోతున్నాం. హియర్ మనతో పాటు ట్వింకిల్ శర్మ ఉన్నారు. తనతో మాట్లాడదాము, మరిన్ని విషయాలు తెలుసుకుందాం. హాయ్ ట్వింకిల్ శర్మ, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
I am good.
Yeah. So, first of all, congratulations for this huge success. So, how are you enjoying the
Thank-
success?
My success is incredible. I'm enjoying it a lot, and my family is also very proud of me. My teachers, my state, and my friends are also very proud of me. So it's a huge success for me, and it's an incredible feeling. So yeah.
So, it's seriously a dream come true ane cheppochu. So, first of all, have you get this chance and have you into movie? So, how was working experience with Rajmouli garu? Can you explain us?
So I have done Flipkart ads. So one of my ad, he has spotted from, and from there I was selected. And Rajamouli sir is very, very cool, very, very serious about his work and about his shooting work. And he's very down to earth. And first time I was not able to recognize him that he is Rajamouli sir because he just wore a t-shirt and a lower, he just came there. So he was very down to earth and very cool, and he has always treated me like his daughter only. He has just helped me in everything. Whatever I just asked in dialogues, he just had to just understand me, or he used to just help me in everything, and I used to just thank him, and I used to just perform my all my dialogues and all just because of him, because he has just helped me so much, and I was not very nervous there just because of him.
We heard about Rajmouli sir. He's very serious on the sets. He's very different person in on screen and off the screen. Off the sets, he's very serious person, very passionate at work, very committed. So, how did you experience have any? He scolds you or he tells you how is it the experience?
No, he has never scolded me because he, like, I'm very young right now, so he just can't scold me. But he just helped me in everything. So he's like, "Rintu, be serious, let's do." I was like, okay, okay, sir, let's do. And NTR sir was like, Jakkana, Jakkana, one more take, one more take. He used to say just only that word, Jakkana, Jakkana. And whatever I say, I'll just say, so one more take, just a second. But he has just helped me. NTR sir also has also helped me in dialogues and all, because it's a new language for me. I've never did this before, so it was my first time, and I did that dialogues and all. And I just loved working with both the heroes and of course Rajamouli sir.
So Twinkle, after this Triple R movie, everyone calls you Malli or Twinkle?
Everyone is like Malli. My phone number, my friends has changed my phone number. Like the phone name is like Malli only. Now everyone calls me Malli, and I used to just turn around. Okay, you are saying to me only.
So, how was working experience with NTR? Because NTR in our Telugu film industry, Junior NTR and Ram Charan, uh, they are very big heroes in Telugu industry. So, you are the first time working with Telugu heroes. That too, Telugu crew, all crew was Telugu. So, how did you? I mean, how was your experience?
My experience is very, very nice because if my mom were also not there on the set, I used to be not nervous because everyone is like taking care of me, like Amma, Amma, what do you need, Amma, Amma, and I'm very, very happy to be there. I'm very blessed to be there because NTR sir is also like taking care of me there and helping me in dialogues and all. So I just had a big support of everyone there. So it was not very nervous thing. For first time, it of course it was nervous. I was nervous, but after that, I used to be just very happy doing pranks and all with everyone. And Stencil sir is also very, very cool. we used to just talk about his honeymoon, his wife, where did he get into this camera and all. So we just used to do a lot of fun in set and a lot of pranks and all. So it was an amazing feeling. It's just like a family over there.
So Twinkle, basically Rajmouli sir took very long time to shoot a movie. So it's been 5 years. I think 2017 it was started, and now it came. So when will your first shot was happened? It was which year?
It was at 2018, and I was selected in, yeah, 2018 July. Yeah, it was July.
And how much old then?
I was in 8th standard, so I was like 11, 12, 11, 12. Yeah.
Okay, and now
Now
now you
I'm
are very
15.
big.
Yeah.
So after this movie, drastic change. I mean, it came drastic change before and after. So have you enjoying this success now? Because you have played key role in this movie. All movie depends on you only. So have you enjoying now?
Now I'm really very enjoying, like now I've got that name Malli. So it's a big achievement that Rajamouli sir. My first film is with Rajamouli sir and with both the big heroes, and I've never expected that. So it's all just because Rajamouli sir. And I really want to thank God first of all, and my parents and all my teachers and all that they have supported me. And of course, Rajamouli sir has just spotted me for this character. This is a really big achievement for me, and I just love being calling like Malli only now, not Twinkle.
Yeah, yeah. Twinkle, how did this happen? Because Rajmouli sir is already blockbuster director in all Bollywood and Tollywood. So pan India. So when you get a phone call or message or something, so how was your reaction? What was your first reaction when you get this call?
I was like, first of all, when I got there in Ahmedabad, there was my first audition. So I don't know, I thought it's a Bollywood movie, it would be all Hindi dialogues and all, but I got in Telugu. So I was really shocked at that time. So after that, I gave my audition. First of all, Rajamouli came there, Rajamouli sir came there, and he taught me all the script and all. And then he just talked about where are we from and all that. And after that, I gave my audition. I was a little nervous, like I can't do Telugu, and I just mixed Hindi and Telugu. But he was like, "Oh, okay, she's good." And everyone was like triple R, triple I. I thought it's a production, then I got to know that it's a movie which is directed by Rajamouli sir. So I'm not into more South movies. I'm like I just see Bollywood movies. So there was one bhaiya. He told me that, have you seen Bahubali? I was like, yes, I've seen that. It is directed by him. And I'm like, oh my God, I just want this role. So first of all, I got there and I got the picture. And after that, I got home and I was like, Mom, I just need this. I just need that role. It'll be of 1 second. I don't care. I just need a role in his movie. So after that, next day, one manager called us and he was like, "You are selected." And my reaction and my family's reaction was like, I was just screaming that, oh my God, I just got that role. And I was like so happy. So it was like an amazing reaction. I just can't tell you and just can't express you in words.
Have you seen any Telugu movies before this movie?
I have seen that Makki movie. It is like
Which one?
so cool. Makki movie.
Makki?
Makki. I don't know
Oh,
what.
okay. Oh, Maski. Okay, okay, okay. That was also Rajmouli sir once.
Yeah, that I got to know after I did this movie. And Magadhi I've seen, Bahubali 1, 2, the conclusion one also. And I've seen some of more movies and yeah, just some movies. I don't see a lot of movies. Like my brother is into South movies, so I just got to know after that only.
Okay. So, Twinkle, coming to your personal life, how did you start your career? So, how did you get into this? Can you explain us?
I was like, when I was very small, my mom was like, I just used to dance in weddings or just take my mom's dupattas and all, just make saris and just go like and just do all that acts and all in front of mirror. So there was one workshop in my state, and my mom was like, okay, she'll go. And after that, and I just attended that workshop for 1 month only. And after that, India's This Dramawas auditions was there, and I was like, okay, let's do this. And I just did one dialogue in that movie of that movie, Devdas, of Paro dialogue, and I did it, and it was really very famous that all the audience all the audience and judges just gave me standing ovation, and it was like very very big achievement at that time also. So after that, it was like very very nice that the way my career started. And after that, I did more and more events. I did ads, and now I got this movie. So this is the movie from where my real career started.
Oh, super, super Twinkle. So you worked two big stars. One is Junior NTR and one is Ramcharan. Who is your favorite? Don't tell
Everyone is
both our
asking me
favorite.
their favorite.
Tell one name only.
This is very difficult, but I could say I would say Ramcharan sir. He's like more of funny. Like NTR sir is also funny, but he's being very serious in his dialogues and all. So I can say Ramcharan sir. Sorry.
Okay. So Alia Bhatt, how was working experience with Alia Bhatt? Did you seen her before?
Yeah, yeah. I have seen her in one event, that Nickelodeon event, and we danced both together. But I was very small at that time. But now I was like, do you remember me? First, I was like, and after that, I just shooted with her. She's very, very nice. She's very funny. She's very cool. I did her shoulder massage also. So I got that opportunity to do that. Yeah, so she's also very nice. We talked and all. We did that all of stuff, and she's also very nice.
Mm. So in Triple R movie, your scene started with a song. Will you sing it for us?
My God, I'm a very
Komma
bad
Uyala
singer.
song. Did you learn it?
Okay. Yeah, I've learned it. I just memorized at that time again and again and again, and now I have to remember it.
Yeah, yeah. Can you sing us?
Okay. Kumma uyyala, kona jampala, amma ullu nenu roju ugala, roju ugala. కొమ్మ సాటున పాడే కోయిలా కూవంటే కూవంటూ నాతో ఉండాలా నాతో ఉండాలా. Thank you.
Wow, Twinkle, you're singing very perfectly now. So we heard that you like singing, not like you love singing and you love dance also. So which one is your most favorite, singing or dancing?
Um, like I don't like more like singing. I just love listening songs. I can just sleep without. I can't sleep without listening songs. So I'm like just listening songs and I just sleep. So I just like more of singing and dancing both. I just love listening music, but I love dancing also.
Hmm. So Twinkle, when shooting starts in that time, uh, how was your reaction or how was your first days going on? It's very normally or you tensed or something else, no? So what was your experience on first day shoot?
I was a bit nervous because everyone is when Rajamouli sir says action and everyone is so like silent over there and I'm only like just saying the dialogues or singing. So first time it was nervous, but everyone is like very funny. Alison ma'am is also very funny. I did that with her. She's also very cool. I just told her some Hindi words and we used to just share ice cream and talk in Hindi only. We used to like namaste. and everyone is like now very familiar to me. The first day only was like very superb, and Rajamouli sir also took care of me there and helped me in dialogues and song, and it was a bit nervous at first time, but after that everyone is so familiar with me that I don't feel nervous now.
Super. Can you say any dialogue?
Dialogue, okay, I'll say with NTR sir. That is that role, that scene which is in jail. Okay. నన్నీడాయిడిచి పోకన్నా అమ్మాయాదికొస్తుందన్నా ఇంటికి తోలుక. Thank you.
Oh my God. Super Twinkle. We saw you on the screen. You acted seriously, very nice. So now you are a very big star in not even South, North, all over India. So you played a key role in this movie, right? So there's so much of crew is there. All are Telugu people, most of, I think, right? No.
Yeah.
So, did you learn any Telugu from them, or they are speaking only Hindi
I
for you?
just used to no, and they we were like speaking in English only, but I used to just speak. I don't remember, but I used to say Allah naru, baun nanu. That was the two words I used to speak.
Only two words
Or
you learned.
yeah, I just learned that. Mm, no, I don't remember more, but I just used to
Okay,
say.
okay, fine.
Or like I used to say like koncham chawal, koncham idli. Only I used to speak this. I don't know. I was
Koncham
like
is to.
yeah,
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 yeah.
sola, yeah.
So, Twinkle, basically, Rajmouli sir was very. I mean, he is the number one director in all over India right now. So after this movie, I think you get so many chances. Did you get any chances or movie offers or something else?
I am getting more offers, but I need one more movie with Rajamouli sir only.
Oh,
And yeah, I want to be a part of this industry now.
okay. So after this movie, after movie release, Rajmouli sir, I mean, you talked to Rajmouli sir? Did you?
No, he has now a very busy schedule because our movie has hit now 1,000 crores. So he's very busy. But I got a call from managers and some of the crews that you did a great job, Malli, and everyone was like that. So yeah,
Did you get any phone calls from Telugu film industry or Tollywood, Bollywood, Collywood, any industry?
I got full of DMs, messages on my mom's number too. And I don't know where they're coming from, but yeah, they are just messaging me, making memes of mine. I just read a lot of memes of mine. Like I
Yeah,
have
yeah, we
a
also saw
picture
that.
with yeah, I have a picture with Elson and both the villains.
Yes.
So everyone is like, why are you all wearing Malli's hair only?
Yeah, yeah,
So
we also,
everyone.
yes. How is social media reaction was totally different. Uh, how is that?
I also gained too many followers after that, and I got DMs like, how was your experience working with NTR sir, Ramcharan sir, Rajamouli sir? Everyone is so like giving me lots of love and all, and everyone is from like Hyderabad, from Telugu only. Everyone is like from there only, Tollywood only. So I was like very blessed. Like I was feeling proud that everyone is messaging me. How was with NTR? How was with Ram Charan sir? Everyone is messaging me like that, and it is so cool. It is like everyone is doing every girl, every small girls are doing that Komma song also, and making my memes also. Everyone is just copying me as Malli. So it's a big achievement for me, and I'm like so happy.
So we also call you Malli. Malli only. It suits you also. Yeah. So basically, Twinkle, where are you from? Where are you from actually?
I'm from Himachal Pradesh, Solan.
Okay, okay. So settle down now.
Yeah.
Now Mumbai, or are you settled in Mumbai or?
No, no, I'm in Himachal. I just do up and down because my all school and all is from here only.
Okay, okay, okay. Are you studying or completely into movies now? You're balancing both now, or?
Yeah, I'll balance both the things. I want to graduate. I'll do everything. I'll just balance both the things equally.
It was difficult to balance both because we already talked about Rajmouli sir took lot of time to shoot a movie. So how you managing all those things?
Yeah, I was like, okay, one take, it's done. But he even if I did best, he was like, we have to take 10 more takes now.
Oh,
So from this angle, from that angle, and he used to take a lot more takes for just one scene. He used to just got every finishing line of that scene. And whenever I got some breaks and all, I used to just study, call my friends that what did you do today and all that. And I used to call my teachers that please help me in this and that. Just send me all the photos what you did today. So I just managed this like that only. Yeah.
it's very difficult to manage, but you did. So, um, have you faced any uncomfortable situations or funny incident on the sets?
My
Or because you don't know Telugu, right? So, most of people talking Telugu in on the sets. So, did you face any situations like comfortable, uncomfortable, or funny incidents, or something different incidents? Did you face any?
funny was like my Kumarala song I was doing. So I was just doing that scene and it was going very, very cool and very, very good. And after that, I got sneezed. So just at the end only, I was like, and everyone was laughing. I was just doing my best at that time and I just got sneezed. So everyone was very funny. So that was a funny scene also.
Super, super. You have any unforgettable moments?
Moment was like we got in a ride, me and Ramcharan sir. Yeah, that was also very
Right for where?
cool. No, we just did that when I got an accident with Ramcharan sir only, and I was just running and running in a car.
Okay.
Yeah, so whenever we got a break, we just used to ride in that car only, and we just used to do lots of fun. He used to speak with me in in Hindi only, and we both used to share our experience. And he was like, "I really want to come Himachal, Kullu, Manali, and I want to see snowfall and all." Yeah, and we used to just talk more and more in car, in vanity and all, and yeah. Rajamani sir, we did breakfast, his family and me used to do breakfast. Yeah, so everyone, my bond with his family was very, very cool, very, very loving.
Yeah, that was superb. So, so finally, are you enjoying now, or are you enjoying success now, or what you doing now? Are you focused on your studies, or you focus on your career?
I focus in both because I have my boards this month.
What you
So
studying now, Twinkle?
I'm in 10th and
10th
now
standard.
after
Okay,
next
okay,
month I'll be in 11th.
okay, okay. So, are you watching Telugu films now?
Now I will watch every Telugu film. I'll just do all the research on the Tollywood industry now. I'm getting into that only now.
Hmm. So, what your main focus, Telugu film industry now, or Bollywood, or some Tollywood,
I
Collywood?
like I like now Tollywood only. Yeah, everyone is so good there.
You liked it?
Yeah, I loved being there.
Yeah. చెప్పాలా ఏమన్నా ఇంకా? ఓకే. ఆహా! అది కాదు, ఇంకేమన్నా చెప్పాలా? క్వెషన్ అయితే అడుగుతా లేదు కదా! ఓకే. యాహ్! 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 So finally, Twinkle, what did you say to your fans, to your audience, our audience, HMTV audience?
I just want to say that give me lots of love, lots of support there because I'm a new in this industry. So I want more and more films, and I want to be a part of this industry as soon as possible.
Yes. Thank you so much, Twinkle Sheba, for joining with us. All the best and congratulations for this huge success. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for calling me here too. I'm very blessed to be here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Twinkle.
Thank you.